What is going on, guys? It is Dylan here. Today I will be making a technical analysis on the ticker symbol SOS Limited. Before we get into it, I just want to let you guys know that I am bullish on SOS. I do think it's a good company and potentially with a lot of room left to run. So definitely do due diligence if you are looking to get a position in this stock. There's plenty of places online, but this is a technical analysis. So let's get right into that. You do see a nice ascending wedge forming right here. Higher lows into the resistance currently at the 857. That is the break on that. I do think potentially you could get you could test around the anywhere from the $10 to the 1057. If we do break this 1070 resistance, 1066 to be exact, if we do break that, I do think there is a lot of room left to run after that. But the question number one is can we get past that? So keep an eye on that. Keep an eye on the break of around here in the apex. It could be right here. It could be anywhere, but keep an eye on that on the apex, which we are tightening out too. So definitely keep an eye on that. We are in a death cross on the MACD, but we are tightening out. We are very, very close from being in a bullish cross, golden cross. If we do get that, that will attract a lot of new buyers. Definitely keep an eye on that. We are at 57 in the RSI, in an upwards trend, so that is bullish. Potentially a pennant right here that did break. That definitely could be. You definitely could argue that. Definitely keep an eye on that. As well with the 9-day EMA, which we are under, so we are bullish in the short term of things, and we are above the 200-day EMA. We got a golden cross on the MAs around here. We have contained that up until now. If we go over to the hourly to get a more minute point of things, do you see that we got a nice ascending support that we have been holding very well. Momentarily, we did use that as an ascending resistance, but not for long at all. We regained that. So if we do come down, look to bounce off that. You do see a textbook bullish flag forming. It could form in this formation. It could form like that. You know, it could be it could break a little sooner. Could be like that. Definitely keep an eye on that. Bullish flags. You might have to redraw your lines a few times because you know, you might overshoot or undershoot the lines, so you definitely keep an eye on that for a nice wide bar to break out of the downwards resistance. That's how you would know a break. So keep an eye on that. We are contesting the 9-day EMA on the hourly, so keep an eye on that to see if we can use that or as short-term resistance or short-term support. And we did get a golden cross right here, which I really do like to see because we haven't had that for let's go back and see till the 24th of last month. So that's a long time. It's like 2-3 weeks that we haven't had a golden cross, and we just got one in the hourly. Looks really bullish. The MACD isn't a golden cross. We are checking to see if we can contain that on the hourly. The RSI is at 62 in an upward trend, so that is bullish. It is looking good. It is looking good. Definitely keep an eye on all these supports and resistances for sure. I don't want to keep you guys here any longer than I have to. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Please drop a like.